Headed up the mountain, doing a little bit of scouting for the later season turkey hunt here. We're going up into our high country turkey spot where we usually get up top, kind of walk the ridge lines and kind of glass down. We mainly hunt them like deer here. We only really use the calls to try to locate them. But during that time of the year, the toms are mainly just calling because they just want the hens to come to them. So on the way up with Odin. Looks like the deer have been using this trail quite frequently this spring. They trampled out. Wonder if we could find any sheds. Just about to the top here. But I just so happened to be looking at my phone when Austin called. Turns out they didn't have a route for him at work, so I'm posted up right here on one of our other glass points, usually where we would sit and glass for deer. And I'm just gonna wait for him here, and then we'll head up to the ridge top. I'm on my way, motherfucker! Woo, doggy!
I went into work and they didn't have a route for me today. I work at Amazon doing deliveries during these virus times. And seems how there's no route, I'm gonna go on a spontaneous adventure. Those are the best. When it's like not planned and all of a sudden there's an adventure right at your face, you gotta take them. So I'm heading up to link up with Ross just to spend the day on the mountain. We're gonna fucking look at some turkey and deer hunting area, but we mainly hunt deer there during the extended archery late season. So let's see what we have up there this time of year. Stay tuned. Almost there. Getting to the trailhead.
How's the hike? Yeah, all I've seen is deer, but they're moving too quick to get anything on footage. I did hear a gobble up that way though. I don't know if it was up over the ridge or in that little ravine or not.
Some bees anywhere?
Not that I could tell. And catch a breath, and then we can pack up and head up. That other one that you can use just kind of goes over the top.
Other phone scope or what?
Yeah, it's just like one that you screw in. It's just like one of like the first generation.
So you have to buy an S20 phone scope case every time or so. Yeah. That's a pretty good business then, because that'll keep them going. Because every year a new phone comes out, they got a new product to make.
This right here, this part right here, you have to buy a new one of those for each spotting scope. But I put foam in it, taped it, and it fits on there pretty good. So it's not that bad. Old phone.
Yeah, maybe our old phones could be for spotting scope. I don't know though, because these will capture some awesome footage with that stuff, won't it?
I mean, yeah, I'm gonna let you use the other one.
These are excellent phones for basically a camera investment too.
Yeah. Hey, you'll best hydrate yourself.
Drink it. Put his face in it.
Drink it.
Bitch up here hanging out.
So what's the plan? Just get up on that ridge, the knob, and just start glassing from there?
Yeah,
What
get
I'm
up there. I want to get somewhere and then kind of come down away from all the recreational hikers.
Yeah, I kind of have a game plan of how I want to kind of approach this season. I want to show you kind of an idea up here, you know, where they kind of hang out. I kind of want to build like a little, kind of sit back in there in those trees where they always cross right there, that thick oak brush.
Below there, the mountain
And
line
just
inside
sit
was.
there, probably in the ravine just east of that. And then sit in there for all day, and you could have one person up here kind of relaying hand signals or whatnot. And I'm thinking more of a tactical approach.
Let's go, buddy. Alright, now remember, I don't have my pants today. It was a spontaneous adventure. It's a good tick season, so you gotta be careful. You don't want that yellow fever. Ah, motherfucker. Shit. Having a class 1 download right now. I just took a urination over there. Ross is working on his class 1 download right now. So for all of you that don't know, oh, Odin just walked right through the piss. Oh my god. Odin, oh my, Odin. Class 1 is all of your drinking material. So, class 1 download is relieving that waste. Stay frosty. As I'm gonna think class, film more. Need some good content this year. So stay tuned.
Down there and let the other person the person that's on the stalk dictate the call. So if you do that, it's a call. So you could locate where they're at. I think that would be a good kind of strategy to try.
Because I'll have a turkey call too. You want to be safe, but you also want to be tactical as fuck.
You don't want to look like a skittle.
If you don't do it quick, it'll get in that tree line. I got a turkey spotted. Right on the tree line down here where that white rock is. It's a quarter left of your screen.
Trying to spotting scope out for the first time.
Hey, wait, what?
Shot glass.
Where? Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Yeah, definitely get these three. I should see another one coming out.
Turkeys? Hey, get your ass out of my face. This could be on the other side. We can just sit there.
Got the turkey on the phone scope here. They're clear down right there. Right there.
Totally good. Down on this bridge. Get over there. Get in that dead zone. Oh yeah, that's definitely a tom, dude. He just poofed up.
So far, this new spotting scope has been working pretty great, man. First time field testing it. Although we still have my old phone scope phone on there, but hey, it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 7 on the phone scope. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 birds.
A good plot.
Wait, there's even more, dude. I need to zoom out a little.
Down to that third knob right there and get better footage.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's my lucky number, bro. Headed down here to get a better vantage point of these turkeys. There's about 12 confirmed in the group. There might be 13. At least 2 toms. Let's see if we can get a closer look at them. Get a fine scope on them. Forgive me, this turkey call is new and I'm not used to it yet, but just to go over what we would have done in a hunting situation, I think it'd be a good idea to put a camera guy right here. This would be what I'm talking about. And then the hunter goes in, we'll get awesome footage from right here. Yeah, that hunter could totally be coming down this ridge line right here, because those turkeys right now are currently crossing right there. That hunter could get on the backside, get in the dead zone, right out of line of sight on the backside, creep up over the top. These turkeys are about to come right up over the ridge line. That hunter will be in position, and that filmer will be right here to get it on the tube. We got birds. Oh, their heads down feeding. Where's that Tom? Is that him right there coming out of the woods? The Japs are here! Let's go! Get to the guns! Let's go! Get to the guns! Whoa, get the fuck up, soldier! This is not the gun! Keep moving! Oh no! He got hit! Oh god! The bottom of this thing, and then we'll come back up and out. Because I want to take some game trails out and see if we find any shits. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a heavy elk spot in the wintertime. Blaze the path least traveled.
I shot at a deer once down here. I missed it.
That means he's telling the truth then. Because if he wasn't telling the truth, he'd be like, I sure hit him, but he got away.
I got away. Let's play.
Wait, what?
The spike. I shot it. Let's play. Stay lethal, guys. You won't miss shots of it.
Practice, practice, practice. Here's those game trails. They freaking really get moving on it.
Action.
Obviously, it could be a buck. Antlers could have fallen off. Typically, when you see a bigger deer with little ones, it's definitely female, wouldn't you think? And hey, if we don't know, we say something that's wrong, don't be afraid to comment below and let us know, because we're not saying we know it all. We're just saying what we think we know. Let's teach each other, you know? Stop being dicks. I'll head this way and meet you over there. Just stick to the game trails and look for sheds. Fan out, cover ground. What the Quiet. I'm trying to nature and chill. Keep around for sheds.
Looking for sheds. It's almost kind of like sweeping a minefield. Looking for something that doesn't belong. It's like finding a needle in a haystack in this crap. And then sticking to the game trails. Just kind of looking around them. Just like a baby calf.
Sucking on a nipple, but he's got teeth, and the mama's like, ah, shit, son.
Shit, son.
A little less canine on that nipple there.
A little less fang and a little... Oh shit, is this one of mine?
No, that's not any of ours. But it's pretty dangerous to have out there.
Yeah, this just goes to show that a lot of accidents have been happening because hunters can't find their arrows or freaking just leave them. And if this was up in a brush like that, and you come walking along and hit
In the
that,
snow?
or even that.
Yeah,
like
dude.
That, was
that
up
would
like
be
that,
in the snow.
that would do damage, and that's a rage broadhead, guys.
So that's why after you take a shot, you definitely want to try and recover as best you can. If you can't recover, it's understandable. Well, let's get these off the mountain.
It's a few years old.
Seems how we're heading down today, I'll bring it. If we were about to be up here for 7 days, I don't think I'd want the responsibility. But I guess if I had my bow and I had an extra spot.
Oh, and I found one in the back.
In my quiver.
I put it up in a tree, and I took a rock where the broadhead was, and I hammered it into the tree. I know you hillbilly, or I know your tree huggers are gonna be like, oh my god, so that somebody wouldn't freaking step on it.
Let's get down the hill, man. I got some water in my truck. I'm thirsty. Yeah, this is a real heavy. Well, I think this trail is pretty heavy, man.
It looks like there's some bigger animal tracks on it, like elk, like this one down here.
Mm-hmm.
That one right there.
This is a good spot because they cross through here and they cross through.